And this year it happens to be in Minneapolis, where I come from. So you can do July 2nd. Today, Colombo Hospital is your hospital. Colombo Hospital is your multi-specialty hospital. କେତେ ଆଗରୁ କିଛି ନଥିଲା. The first hospital was created. Robotic soon ଥିଲା କିଛି ନଥିଲା. ଆପଣ robotic ତାକୁ ଯୋଡ଼ିଲେ କ'ଣ କଲେ $100 billion business all ଆମର ବେଳେବେଳେ ଅଛି ସବୁ ହସ୍ପିଟାଲରେ ରାଇଟ୍ ସାଇଡ୍ ହୁଏ ସେଗୁଡ଼ାକୁ ସୁବିଧା ଦିଆଯାଇ ପାରିଛି. ଏବେ ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କର ଆୱାରନେସ୍ 5%ରୁ
बहुत बढ़िया है ये को ऑर्गेनाइज कर डॉक्टर ये पिता सॉरी डॉक्टर राउत राय ऑर्गेनाइज इट वेरी पितावास राउत राय ऑर्गेनाइज वेरी वेल इंक्लूडेड होम्योपैथिक आयुर्वेदिक allopathic programs here, and the speaker are the top-notch speakers. I represented something mix of everything. Kalinga Hospital has been the #1 caring hospital in Odisha, and I retain that one pride. And I am proud. I am part of this hospital and contributing to our community and beyond. Thank you.